Welcome to Floral Street. I'm Roshni.
And I'm Kate, and this is our Covent Garden flagship store.
We are a modern British fragrance brand with a collection of vegan, sustainable and unforgettable fragrances, powered by flowers and inspired by London.
Our fragrances are based off different moods and personas, so if you're feeling fiery, quirky or expressive, we'll have the fragrance for you. Who will you be today?
This is Neon Rose, a fragrance for the striking, quirky and expressive.
It's super green and super floral. Smells like a bunch of flowers or walking into a flower market.
No roses were harmed in the making of this fragrance. If a rose was neon, that's what it would smell like.
In our Neon Rose, we have sichuan pepper. It's actually not a part of the pepper family, it's a citrus. We also have pear, adds like a little bit of sweetness.
And finally we have galbanum, which is actually a gum that's in the ferula family. It smells like green broken leaves, really fresh, really muddy.
We have a wardrobe of fragrances to perfectly express any mood.
Who will you be today?